Hello guys, it's me, Santa Girl, and little Rosie. So today we will be opening this kit from Karina Garcia. It's Karina's DIY clear slime kit, and it already comes with a pre-made slime. So let's just open this up and see what it is in the inside. So it comes with a little baggie. And there's nothing else here. So in this bag, oh, there's a lot of things in here. So let's open this. There we go. Okay, so first thing is this little paper thing, and it says like tips and tricks, and it says what happens if it's overactivated and underactivated your slime. That's pretty good. Okay, ready? Okay, so this is everything. Sorry, we get inside. Get green pigment, pink pigment, gold pigment, and blue pigment. Here they are. They seem like a little bit. Is this how it's supposed to be? Okay, well, this is little things that you could put inside, like the little fruits to make your slime like a bit more texture, maybe. Yeah. Okay, and this is the slime. They're all clear slime, and it has a little slot for you could put the name of the slime that you want it to be. So we're going to be making one of each color, but we're first going to be see them how they feel. Open them up. Oh, and of course they have this. Take this off. I was just gonna say carefully. Okay, get them out. Okay, so this feels so nice. It's just perfect. It's not underactivated and it's not overactivated. So let's continue on. Put it back in the container and let's open the other two before we could get them ready for the color. Okay, so we've opened each one. They all feel very good. So let's first start adding the color. So let's first do with pink. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's dust.
Oh my gosh. How did I do that? My hands.
Okay. So now the fun part, mixing it together.
Oh my gosh.
So this is how it's going to be. It still feels nice, but the only problem is, well, it's messy when you put it somewhere. It's going to get a tiny bit messy, and also, like I said, messy. It's going to stick to your hands, the color, because the color is just powder. Like the texture with the first one, it was the same after you put in the color. So we're going to do the same thing to this one. So let's put it in. Oh, this is going gold. Yeah, it's gold.
Oh my gosh.
It's not going to come off. My hand is sparkly. This is how they came out, and so let's right now put some of the fruit slices in there. So while she's mixing that one, we're going to also do the same thing to the pink one. Okay, so that's how it came out. Like, you can't really see it that much because it's not clear slime anymore. But if you really stretch it, you can see all the beads inside. You could play with them.
gonna play with it?
Yeah. And so this is how it will come out. And
Wait.
so that's everything we have for right now. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bells and goodbye.